Hi guys, welcome to my video. Welcome to one of my speeches. Let's say it like that. Okay, learning language requires three things, guys. Just three things in the life. You have to have or do just these three things. All you have to do is just having or doing these three things. One of them is time. You have to have a time, guys. Without giving a time, without having a time, without take the time into consideration, there's no way around learning language. So if you want to learn the language, you have to give yourself a time. You have to give a time to learning language, okay? And it takes time. It takes a while to learn or reach some certain level in the language, actually. So it's kind of dream expecting to learn the language in just 3 months or in 6 months, unless you're a genius of it or something. Most of the people is not a genius, so it requires a time to learn. So the second thing, dedication. Okay, you have to dedicate not just your time, you dedicate yourself wholly. Okay, you have to have a dedication to learn a language. So dedication is really important. You have to have that kind of soul for moving forward. You shouldn't quit halfway through, okay? So dedication is really important on learning language. And the third one, knowing why. You have to learn why you're learning language. What is it for? Or you have to have a strong why, okay? This why questions answer must be so strong, okay? So if you don't have a strong why, probably you're gonna quit along the way, okay? If you want to keep moving forward, you should have a strong why. Take care of yourself, guys. On the next episode, see ya.